Shri V.P. Singh Badnorji, Chief of the Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal B.S. Dhanovaji, Minister for Irrigation and Power, Government of Punjab, Rana Gurjeet Singh Ji, distinguished guests and area warriors of the Indian Air Force. This is my first visit to Punjab after taking over as President of India. I am honored to be in a state with such a rich heritage. This is the land of Sainiks and Sant, of soldiers and spiritual leaders. I am especially fortunate to come here in November, a month in which we are marking the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji and the martyrdom of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. I bow to those great nation builders from Punjab. The contribution of Punjab to our armed forces and of our armed forces to our nation has been enormous. That is why, in my role as the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces, I am truly glad that my first visit to Punjab has brought me to the Air Force Station in Adhampur to award standards to the 223 Squadron and the 117 Helicopter Unit of the Indian Air Force. Air Force Station Adhampur is among the oldest and best known bases of our Air Force. It has grown from a small airstrip to a fully operational base hosting a variety of weapon systems. The air base has remained operational since inception. It was the setting of great heroism during the wars of 1947, 1965 and 1971. Both units being honored today have a history of professional excellence. The nation honors them with a deep sense of gratitude and appreciation for dedication and courage in the face of adversity. I compliment the area warriors on parade for their impeccable turnout and smart movement. India's rise in the international system has many dimensions to it, but it draws heavily from the capabilities and valor of our armed forces. Though we remain firmly committed to peace, we are determined to use all our might to protect the sovereignty of our nation. Each time we have had to do so, our valiant men and women in uniform have risen to the occasion. Every citizen of India sleeps securely because he or she knows that you are there to protect them. Our armed forces, exemplified by the air warriors who stand before us, reflect our national resolve, and they secure the values, traditions and beliefs embodied in our democratic constitution. The 223 Squadron or the Tridents was formed on May 10, 1982 right here in Adhampur. It was initially equipped with MiG-23 MF aircraft. Whether flying the MiG-23 or the formidable MiG-29 upgrade aircraft today, the squadron has remarkable operational record. This squadron is one of the few that remains alert 365 days a year. It truly lives up to its motto of Vijaya Amog Astra, which means the ultimate weapon for victory. The 117 Helicopter Unit, or the Himalayan Dragons, was raised on February 1, 1971 at Air Force Station Bareilly. The unit gained its initial experience in the India-Pakistan War of 1971 in the Eastern Theatre. It moved to Hasimara in 1983 and flew extensive air maintenance and casualty evacuation missions in the Northeast. The unit moved to to its present location, Air Force Station, Sarsawa, in January 1988. In Operation Rahat, Operation Megh Rahat, and numerous other humanitarian assistance and disaster relief missions, the unit has worked tirelessly in helping civilians. It has an appropriate motto, Apat Sumitram, which means friend in distress. That is exactly what it is to so many of our fellow citizens. In acknowledgement and recognition of their outstanding performance, I am pleased to award standards to the 223 Squadron and the 117 Helicopter Unit. I compliment the personnel, veterans and families of the 223 Squadron, the 117 Helicopter Unit and the Air Force Station Adampur for their devotion to the nation. India is proud of you. Jai Hind.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the wonderful diamond formation. And there goes Sarang 4, axe rating to join up.
the nation's dream to develop a world-class fighter aircraft right here in India.